Everyone, this is Revati working as an assistant professor in the Department of Information Technology from SNS College of Technology. In our today design thinking based delivery on the topic of transmission control protocol, congestion avoidance. Already we know that what is meant by TCP and what is meant by UDP. These are the protocols used in the transport layers. Before moving to the TCP congestion avoidance, we have to know about the difference between UDP and TCP. Can anyone tell me the difference between the both protocols used in the transport layer?
Yes, ma'am. UDP is connectionless protocol and it is not variable. But TCP is connection oriented protocol, so it is variable.
Yes, good. Next, we will move to the today's case study. That means TCP congestion avoidance. Already we know that TCP is a connection oriented protocol and it is used for reliable communication. That means before transmitting data, how to establish connection between sender and receiver. This is the connection oriented protocol. The major problem faced here is congestion avoidance, which is occur too many data sent to the receiver from the sender at the same time. To overcome this problem, we can move to the design thinking based delivery for TCP congestion avoidance for better understanding on the efficient data transmission and reduce the delay of transmission. Actually, we know that design thinking is having 5 stages. That means empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and testing. Let our student will explain these stages one by one using our problem statement. Let's start with the problem statement.
Okay, ma'am, I will read the problem statement. Sometimes the networks get too crowded with too many data, and the normal TCP method don't always handle this well. So, using the design thinking way, we can make a smarter way to create a smarter way to avoid congestion and slow data transmission.
Yes, next the first phase of design thinking is empathize. Yes.
Okay. In this state, the engineers study the problem statement faced in the networks really well and the two teams. So there are some common pinpoints and common. So yes, I will explain the empathize. So in this state, the engineers study the problem statement faced in the networks in very deep way. So there are some common pain points and issues faced very commonly. There are some common pain points that are faced during this issues. So which are network delays and slow data transmission, poor user experience, and much more. So by understanding and empathizing the problem statement, the engineer can come up with a better solution for these problems.
Yes, this is the empathize phase. We'll explain the next stage of design thinking is define phase. Who is going to define this phase?
Let me define this phase. Actually, as we hear about the empathy and the problem statement, the problem statement is clear that how can we control the sending rate of the data package without causing the conjunctions of the internet. So the main goal of this phase is to get the high throughput without causing the data package and the data coverage. This is the phase.
Yes, the next stage of design thinking is ideate phase. Who is going to explain about this phase?
In this state, different solutions are generated. Possible ideas include like adjusting the consumption window size dynamically, then monitoring RTT. RTT means round trip time, and then using intelligent algorithm to detect consumption yearly. In this idea helps to how TCP control data transmission.
Yes, before data transmission, how to control this congestion in the TCP. This is the main goal of our today's problem statement. The next phase of design thinking is prototyping. Can anyone explain about the prototyping?
Yeah, let me explain about the prototype. So the engineers will now start developing the algorithms and models based on the ideas. So these ideas include examples such as modified congestion control algorithm and adaptive data transmission techniques and solutions to test the network behavior. And all these examples will be developed so that the final output will be obtained.
Yes, the final output will be the efficient data transmission. That means without congestion, the receiver can receive the data from the sender. The next stage of design thinking is testing phase. After developing the prototype, how to test that prototype. Yes, the next phase of design thinking is testing. Who is going to tell me the testing phase?
Yes, ma'am, I am undertaking the testing phase. So finally, the solution is tested with both real and stimulated networks. So on testing, we have undergone many parameters from the testing part, and the parameters are delay, packet loss, and network efficiency. Based on this results, it will help to create a new improved version of our protocols.
Yes, we are using so many protocols in the transport layer. All the protocols are having some advantages and disadvantages. This is the time for discussion about advantages of TCP over UDP. One of our students is going to discuss the advantages of TCP.
So the advantages of using TCP over UDP, we have come over with several benefits. It improves the network speed, reduces the packet loss, and it helps the user for a better usage. And it also helps the developer side to create a new innovative congestion control.
Yes, well, the next is the time for conclusion. Applying design thinking approach in the TCP congestion avoidance, which helps to engineers to find better solution and also improve the data transmission efficiency and reduce the delay of data transmission. Which is gives the better data transmission throughout the internet, which is essential for modern computer applications. Thank you for watching. Thank you. This video will gives the clear idea about how the design thinking approach is applied in the TCP congestion avoidance and how to prevent from the congestion for data transmission. Thank you so much.